Hello there guys, today I'm going to show you how you can release a plugin from your Git workflow. You can release a plugin to WordPress org or your premium users from GitHub, GitLab or Bitbucket. So I have added a plugin to WordPress to Appsero dashboard, and you can see that the plugin is right here. If you haven't already integrated your Git account, make sure you connect your GitHub account from the integrations tab. As I have not added the Git account, I have just now added the Git account here, and after adding the Git account I need to select the repository which this plugin is residing at Git. So this is my Git repository, and I will just click save so that Appsero can map the GitHub repository with Appsero so that you can push to release. So when you go to the release tab, there is no release right now because we haven't created any release. It's a good practice to bump your version number from README to the version you are releasing. So my plugin is currently on 1.0.1. I'm releasing the 1.0.2 version from here. So I'm updating the README here, and if you have a readme.md, the markdown one, update it there also. Save it and then open your terminal and locate to the Git repository you are on and start typing the command. So I will just type git status. So I have some changes already, so I'll just push this into the master repo. Updating version number and git push. So I have just make sure that my computer's plugin and the Git repo is in sync. Now I have to create a release for this plugin that is residing in Git. So how can you create a release? It is very simple. Git tag -a and type the version number. The version number here is 1.0.2, and add a git commit message for this version number, releasing version 1.0.2. So we have created the tag, and now it's time to do another git push origin command to make sure that you are in sync. Yes, everything is up to date, we are all good, and you have already committed and pushed your origin master account or the branch you are pushing from. If everything is up to date, you can just push the git tag to the origin. So the command is git push origin and type the tag name here. Make sure you type them in inverted commas, and when you type enter, you are creating a release for Git. As you can see, I have released a new tag version 1.0.2. If I go to GitHub and go to that specific repository, we can see from the releases tab that there has been a release. Here from releases you can find out that I have released with a commit message releasing version 1.0.2. So that's it. And now when you go to the releases tab, you can see your plugin actually is deployed. Yeah, this plugin which you published to Git repo here in the releases tab has already been pushed to Appsero via push to deploy, and the same version and the changelog you have added also been attached to it. If you can edit, you can see that the changelog has already been there. So while releasing, if you can use an editor like Vim or Nano, you can actually write the full release log here, and it would show up while plugin updates, and your users would be able to update their plugin. And now if you want to release this plugin to WordPress org directly, make sure you have connected your WordPress org subversion, and while adding the plugin, make sure your slug matches your WordPress slug. So when your WordPress slug matches with Appzero and you connect your WordPress account here in integrations, the WordPress org subversion, and you do the same release technique that I showed, this version will also be deployed to WordPress org. So thanks guys, that's it, and I hope you find it very useful.